Google just handed solo operators a free video production studio. Most people are treating it like a toy. Gemini Omni is Google's video generation and editing model. What it can do to real footage you already have is hard to believe until you see it. A clip you shot on your phone becomes a fully produced social media asset. Different location, different lighting, camera moves, text overlays, translated audio, all from a simple text prompt. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you one specific prompt structure. It turns Omni from a fun experiment into a repeatable client deliverable. That part is near the end. It changes how you price this service entirely. Stick around. I'm Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers build real service income using free AI tools. No agency pedigree, no expensive software. Drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the honest conversation we need to have first. Most beginners in this space get handed a $200 to $300 monthly software bill before they have made a single dollar. The platforms that get recommended the loudest usually come with the biggest commissions behind them, something worth knowing before you hand over your card. And even when you pay, the social scheduling tools in those platforms let you post content. They do not produce it. You still need a video tool on top of it all. You are carrying the subscription tax and you are still not equipped. I know exactly what that pressure feels like. I spent a stretch of time working out of my brother's garage. I was trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A monthly software bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Gemini Omni matter, not as novelty, but as actual leverage. The mechanism I use to build client-ready video assets is something I call the Iterative Content Engine. The idea is simple. You start with real footage, yours or your clients, and feed it into Gemini Omni inside Google Flow. Then you build toward the final output through a sequence of short, targeted prompts. Each round refines the last. You are not guessing at a finished video in one shot. You are directing it step by step for free. Google Flow is where you want to run this. It's included with your Google AI subscription and gives you more control than the standard Gemini app. You create a new project, upload your clip, up to 10 seconds, and select Omni Flash from the dropdown. Then you are ready to go. The first prompt transforms the base footage. Every prompt after that builds on whatever was just generated, not the original. That is the key behavior most people miss. You are not re-editing the raw clip each time. You are iterating on the output layer by layer until the asset is done. Here is what that actually looks like for someone running social media content creation for local businesses. A restaurant owner has a 10-second clip from their phone. Tables, bad lighting, nobody around. One prompt changes the location feel entirely. A second adds warm evening lighting. A third locks in a text overlay with the weekly special. That is a finished content asset ready to post. Built in under 15 minutes on free infrastructure from footage the client already had on their camera roll. A social media content package for a local business runs $300 to $500 a month. The tool costs nothing. Now here's where this gets actually useful as a service you can sell. Omni's camera movement capability is one of the things nobody is talking about. You can take a static shot or even a still image and add directional arrows showing the camera path. Omni animates that as a continuous drone-style shot. Upload the image into Flow and prompt it to follow the arrow path as a drone POV shot. One continuous, uninterrupted take, the output looks like footage from actual aerial equipment. For a client who can't afford a drone shoot, that is a real deliverable, and it has a real price attached. Camera movement prompts work on video too. Take existing footage and tell Omni to push the camera out into a drone perspective. Same location, same background detail maintained, just a completely different shot angle. Most people stop at the first generation. Here is what changes when you do not stop there. You keep iterating until the specific output you need is locked in. Now, most people take this workflow and immediately try to deliver the raw Omni output to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is a specific prompt structure that makes the output look intentional and professional rather than experimental. I am walking you through that right now. The prompt architecture that works consistently has 4 parts. First, you describe the physical transformation clearly, while what changes, when it changes, what stays the same. One clear instruction per element. Second, you specify what must not change. Background elements, the subject's position, whatever anchors the clip. Third, you tell it the shot perspective, drone, POV, close up, not just what you want, but how it should feel visually. Fourth, and this is the one most people skip, you give it a continuity instruction. One continuous, uninterrupted shot at the end of your prompt significantly improves how clean the transitions are. Without it, Omni sometimes resets mid-clip. That single phrase is the difference between a polished asset and a rough edit you cannot hand to anyone. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you the money angles on this. There are actually 3 clean services you can build around Gemini Omni right now. The first is social media content creation, specifically video asset packages for local businesses. Most small operators post static images or nothing at all. They do not have video production capability. You solve that entirely. A 10-second phone clip becomes a polished, text-overlaid, location-transformed content piece in 15 minutes. You charge a setup fee and a monthly retainer. The tool costs nothing. The second service is social media management with a video-first angle. A lot of freelancers in this space offer posting and scheduling, but hand over flat graphics. When you add Omni-produced video to that package, you can charge more. You compete with agencies that have actual production teams, without the overhead. It is not a vague upgrade. It is a concrete capability difference the client can see. Most businesses paying for social media management have never once received a custom video asset. You change that on day one. The third angle is translation-based content. Omni can take a video, including one with your own avatar, and produce versions of it in multiple languages. For a business with a bilingual customer base, that is a genuine value proposition. A restaurant in a mixed language neighborhood, a trade business with a Spanish-speaking crew, a medical practice trying to reach more patients, they all have this problem. Almost none of them have a solution. You become that solution for a flat fee. Think about a solo operator who had 0 video editing experience last week. They approach a local gym. The gym owner has a backlog of short clips from classes. Nothing ever got edited or posted. You use Omni to transform those clips into branded content pieces, add text overlays with class times, iterate on the lighting and feel. You deliver a month's worth of social video content in a single afternoon. That is a $500 engagement built entirely on free tools and a phone's worth of existing footage. The gym owner has a deliverable they can see and share that same day. You have a retainer client and a case study you can take to the next business on the block, okay? I promised you the prompt structure at the start of this video, and here it is. For any client video asset, your Omni prompt should follow this sequence. Physical transformation first, continuity anchor second, shot perspective third, continuity instruction last. Write it as one prompt, not 4 separate ones. Example, at 2 seconds in, transform the storefront exterior to evening lighting with warm window glow. Keep the signage, the door, and the street unchanged. Shot from a slow push-in angle, one continuous uninterrupted shot. That structure, actually let me be more specific, it works across location changes, lighting adjustments, text overlays, and camera movements. It is the repeatable foundation for every Omni deliverable you produce. Picture what the next 30 days look like once this is your default workflow. Every local business client you approach, you can show them a before and after of their own footage. Right there in the first conversation, you are not pitching a concept, you are showing a finished asset, built from something they already have. That is a completely different sales dynamic. Most people in this space are still selling promises. You show up with proof. The gap between someone who offers social media content and someone who can demonstrate it on the spot is enormous. Gemini Omni, running inside Google Flow for free. That is what closes that gap. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Get after it.